Hi everyone, I am Jeevaratinam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. In this PPT, I am going to presenting in the topic of separation and purification of liquid by distillation method. Distillation definition. Distillation is the technique of heating a liquid to create vapor which is collected. When cooled, separate from the original liquid. It's based on the different boiling point or volatility values of the components. The technique may be used to separate components of a mixture or to aid in purification. The equipments used for distillation may be called a distillation apparatus or still. A structure designed to house one or more stills is termed a distillery. For example, distillation example, pure water can be separated from salt water through distillation method. For example, salt water is boiled to form steam, but the salt remains in the solution. The steam is collected and allowed to cool back into salt-free water. The salt remains in the original container. Types of distillation: simple distillation, distillation under reduced pressure, and fractional distillation. The principle of the simple distillation method is used for the separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have a sufficient difference in their boiling points. So the distillation involves two stages. The first stage is simple distillation technique. Liquid or solution mixture is heated to boil and vaporize the most volatile component in the mixture, that is liquid to gas. The anti-pumping granules give a smoother boiling action for the distillation process. The vapor passes up from the flask and down into the condenser, where it is cooled by cold water and condenses. This stage, gas converted to liquid back to a liquid, that is distillate. Distillated liquid is collected in the flask. And the technique of the simple distillation. This method is used to separate the mixture of two miscible liquids whether their boiling point difference is at least 25 degrees Celsius. For example, acetone and ethanol are two miscible liquids. So this two miscible liquids have a boiling point difference is more than 25 degrees Celsius. So they can be separated by the method of simple distillation. So what are the steps involved in the simple distillation method? So first, a round bottom flask and not a flat bottom one should be all used for smooth boiling. So use only a round bottom flask, not a flat bottom flask, because the round bottom flask is a smooth boiling. Heating must be slow and uniform, either with a small flame or by an electrical heater. The pumping of the liquid may be avoided by the addition of porcelain bits at the beginning of the distillation. The main fraction which distill at the boiling point should be collected separately, rejecting the first and the last portions which are likely to be impure. The bulb of the thermometer should not be immersed in the liquid. The glass units must be assembled tightly to avoid loss of vapor or liquid. Distillation should be stopped when some liquid is left in the flask. Flammable liquids like ethanol, benzene, carbon disulfide, etc. should never be heated with a Bunsen burner. They must be distilled with a steam bath or with a controlled electric heating mandel. Distillation under reduced pressure. So in this method used for the purification of high boiling liquids and liquid which decomposes at or below their boiling point. So those liquid having high boiling point, that liquid is purified by this method. So principle: a liquid boils when its vapor pressure becomes equal to the external pressure. The same liquid would boil at a lower temperature if the pressure acting on it is reduced. Since the liquid boils at lower temperature, its decomposition does not occur. So vapor pressure means the tendency of the substance to converted to the gaseous or vapor state with the temperature. So increase the temperature, the liquid start to converted to vapor. So on that time in the same liquid would boil at a lower temperature. So in the lower temperature, if the pressure is acting on it is reduced. So temperature is slow, slowly heating the liquid. The on that time the pressure is reduced. So in the liquid, at the same time the liquid boils at lower temperature, its decomposition does not occur. So lower temperature, using a lower temperature, the liquid cannot, the liquid or the substance, it cannot go to decomposition stage. That is here using a low temperature, so that low temperature using the pressure is reduced. That is the distillation under reduced pressure. The technique of distillation under reduced pressure. So in the distillation under reduced pressure apparatus, having a aspirator and mechanical oil pump. The flask should be made up of stout glass, otherwise due to low pressure inside it may collapse. All the glass joints should be lubricated with the silicone grease. So porcelain pits or anti-pumping granules are used in order to avoid the pumping. The pressure inside the flask can be read with the help of manometer, which is connected to the system between the pump and the distillation unit. So you see the apparatus, it consists of distillation flask. The distillation flask is contains one capillary tube. That capillary tube is inserted to the distillation flask. Purpose of this capillary tube is for air circulation, and the distillation flask is connected to the condenser in the slanting position, and the condenser is also fitted with the distilled liquid collecting flask, and the distillate collect flask is connected to the manometer. So when heating the liquid is slowly converted to vapor. That vapor go to the condenser, and the condenser and finally the vapor is converted to liquid, that is distilled liquid, that is a pure liquid. In this pure liquid having pressure, that is reduced pressure, low pressure. So and that pressure is read with the help of manometer. So what is the pressure inside the purified liquid flask? Read with the help of manometer. Fractional distillation. So fractional distillation is the method of separate mixture of two miscible liquids where differences between their boiling points is less than 25 degrees Celsius. In a mixture of two or more miscible liquids, the separation of various liquids depends on their boiling points. The liquid having low boiling point boils first and can be obtained first from the fractionating column than the liquid having higher boiling point. So in this method, those liquid having low boiling point, that liquid collected first, and then the liquid having high boiling point is collected after the lower boiling point liquid. For example, if a component A is more volatile than component B, so partial pressure of A divided by partial pressure of B greater than 1. Fractional distillation process is used for the separation of different gases from air, different fractions from petroleum products, etc. So technique of fractional distillation. So in this apparatus is same like that of simple distillation. The difference is fractionating column is fitted in between the distillation flask and the condenser. So simple fractionating column is a tube packed with a glass beads, either rod and disc, or pure shaped steel head. The fractionating column provides surface for the vapors to cool and condense repeatedly, as shown in the following figure. After setting up the apparatus, a mixture of two miscible liquids, that is A and B, is taken, where A has more volatility than substance B. The solution is added into the distillation flask while the fractionating column is connected at the tip of the flask. Heat is applied, which increases the temperature slowly. The mixture then starts to boil and vapors start to rise in the flask. The vapors are from the volatile component A. The vapors then start moving through the fractionating column into the condenser, where it is cooled down to form a liquid which is collected in the reservoir. Thank you.